Suction cleaners are easy to install. They are the perfect tools for collecting large and medium-sized debris from the bottom of the pool. These cleaners are installed onto the pool's filtration circuit. Debris is stored in the pump pre-filter or sent to the skimmer filter. These are the accessories supplied with your cleaner. 11 sections of standard twist lock hoses and 1 section with a hose float, a flow keeper valve, an extended 45-degree elbow, a 45-degree elbow, an in-ground valve cuff. If you purchased your device after 2015, you will have an automatic flow regulator rather than a flow rate tester. If you are installing the cleaner for the first time, it is important to prepare the pool properly. Start filtration and make sure that the pump pre-filter is clean. Turn the outlet nozzles downwards. Connect the twist lock hoses. To connect them, slot 2 sections together and turn until secure. Connect the hoses so that they reach the corner furthest from the connection point. Add the section of the hose with the float. This section will then be connected to the cleaner. Connect the extended 45-degree elbow to the other end of the hose. There are 2 ways to connect your device: by connecting it to a cleaning connector or by connecting it to one of the pool skimmers. If you are connecting your cleaner to a cleaning connector, fix the tapered adapter on it. If you are connecting your cleaner to a skimmer, choose the skimmer closest to the pump. Take out the basket. Place the adapter at the bottom of the skimmer. Connect the 45-degree elbow to the flow keeper control valve. Connect the control valve to the tapered adapter. Point it downwards. To ensure that there is no air in the hose, fill it with water by placing it in front of an outlet nozzle, for example. Connect the hose either to the extended elbow connected to the cleaning connector or to the 45-degree elbow you placed in the skimmer. Submerge the cleaner in the water, allow it to fill with water and connect it to the hose. Make sure that the float is positioned 25 cm away from the cleaner. Assess the speed by looking at the speed of the rotating wheels. Find the yellow indicator on the right rear wheel. Wait for the wheels to change direction. Time how long it takes for the wheels to turn 10 times. Between 20 and 25 seconds, the flow rate is optimal. Between 25 and 50 seconds, you need to increase the flow rate. If you choose to connect the cleaner to a cleaning connector, replace the blue elbow with the automatic flow keeper control valve. This has already been installed in the skimmer. Change the position of the control valve and place it in the position below. If the flow rate is between 10 and 19 seconds, it is too high. Change the position of the control valve and place it in the position below, number 1. Your device has now been installed correctly. Installation is the same for Mx6 cleaners.